Students, today I will record a video on the problem we discussed in the class today. Okay, so this is a problem. Given IP address 192.168.10.132/28, you have to find the network address, first usable host address yani first IP, last usable address yani last IP, and broadcast address. You have to find these three. Okay, the first thing, this is class C. Mr. What is class C? I told you, if the first octet, the first part of the network comes between C, I will Google that and tell you why it is class C. Google here IPv4 class here. Okay, the first octet, class C means first octet is in between 192 to 223. 192 223, that is class C. Okay, so this is 192 first part, this is class C. Okay, so 192.168.10.0/28 is the network. This is the prefix. Prefix yani number of ones or number of network bits is prefix. So out of 32 bits, I told you in the classroom, the IPv4 address length, IPv4 address total length is 32 bits. Okay, in that /28 means network is 28 bits, number of ones is 28, host is 4, because out of 32 28 gone means 4. Okay, so number of network bits or ones, number of 1 is 28, host is number of 0 bits is 4. Okay, now first thing is, if I have this one, what is the subnet mask? 192.168.10.132/28. What is the subnet mask? Subnet mask means number of bits in the network. Okay, actual number of network bits. Okay, so here 28 means, I told you, 28140. So it will be like first 8 ones dot next 8 1, so 8 plus 8 16, third also 8, so 8 8 8, 24 bits are 1. Now how many we need? 4. So out of the remaining 8 bits, first 4 are again 1. See, 28 we need, so 8 1 plus 8 1 plus 8 1, 24 ones plus remaining 4 ones, 1 2 3 4. We have total 28 ones here. Okay, 28 1. Remaining 4 are host yani 0 bit, so I put 0 here. Okay, subnet mask for this 28 is 8 1, again 8 1 16, again 8 1 24. Now remaining is 4, 25 26 27 28, total 28 ones, 4 bits are 0. Okay, now how we get this 255 255 255 240? This is decimal, so I need to convert this binary into decimal. So you know 81 is 255. How you get 81 255? What I will do, I will write 8 ones here, 1 1 1 1 1, like 8 ones. Then I will write below 128 64 32 16 8 4 2 1. Usually what you will do, you will write here as 2 raised to 0, 2 power 0. Okay, 2 power 0. Where is that font? Okay, I'll go here, this one, like this. I want to put 2 power 1, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power, like this. Okay, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. Instead of this 2 power 0, I know 1. So instead of writing 2 power 1 like this, I write 1 2 4. Multiply first 1 into 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 16 into 2 32, 64 128. Now how we will get convert 8 1 into 255, multiply this decimal number into each bit position. 128 into 1 128, 64 into 1 64, plus 32 into 1 32, plus 16 into 1, plus 8 into 1, plus 4 into 1, plus 2 into 1, plus 1 into 1. When you add all these things, you will get 255. Okay, so like that, how many are there? 8 1 255. So one time 255, second time also 8 1 255, third time also 8 1 255, last is 4 1 followed by 40. How do we get 240? I put here 4 1 40, 128 into 1 128, 64 into 1 plus 64, 32 into 1 plus 32, 16 into 1 plus 16. Now 8 into 0, 4 into 0, 2 into 0, 1 into 0. No need to add this, all 0, right? So 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16, you will get 240. Can use calculator. That's how we got the subnet mask. 255 3 times 1 240. Understand? Shireen, understand? I think today you were confused, right? So 255 255 255 240. How I got this? Like this method. Okay, this adding decimal to first one, binary to decimal be converted. Write the binary numbers. How many ones are there? 28. So 8 8 8 24, remaining 4 28, remaining 4 zeros. So how to convert this binary decimal? I put a table like this and I did the conversion. I got subnet mask as 255 255 240. Now I need to find out what? Network address, first address, last address, broadcast address. Okay, I write the table like this. Okay, IPv4 address in decimal. The question is 192.168.10.132. Now I want to convert this decimal into binary. Okay, next conversion. How, Mr. you convert one decimal number into binary? I'll show you one example. Remaining you to do. Okay, in the class tomorrow you will do. Okay, how do we convert this number into binary? So I'll show you here how to convert 192 to binary. So write the table like earlier, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 20. This you have to remember. Okay, now I will subtract 192 with every number here. Okay, first I will start with 192 minus 128. 192 minus 128. Is it possible? Yes, because this is greater than or equal to 128, right? This is the greater number. So 128 greater than 128. So possible. Then what happens? Whichever value you take, if it is possible means subtraction possible means add 1 here. So 192 minus 128 mawjood or possible. So put 1 here. Okay. Now what you will get when you subtract 192 minus 128, you will get 64. Now you will have 64. Next step, 64 minus, what is the next number? Because already 128 now. Now what is 64 minus 64? This is 64 greater than equal to 64. Subtraction possible, right? Possible means put 1 below 64. Now 64 minus 64 is 0. Now remaining, you have to subtract 0 with 32, 16, 8, 4 to 1. Can you subtract 0 minus 32? No. Can you subtract 0 minus 16? No. Can you subtract 0 minus 8? No. So all not possible. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's why 192 the decimal number binary is 1, 1, remaining 0, 0. You know, now you understood how you got this. Okay. Again, like that you have to convert 168 all the remaining numbers. 168, 10, everything. I am not doing because I told you the method, you have to try. Okay. Or Mr. if I don't know how to do this, this is an easy method. If you don't know, go here. I'll open the calculator again. If the calculator is allowed, but some cases calculator not allowed. So better try in paper. In theory part, calculator mafia allowed means. Okay. So what you should do, usually a calculator will be like this. Standard. Go here. Choose programming. Okay. In decimal, choose decimal and type 192. When you go to binary, bin means binary, you will get 1 1 followed by 60. This is one method. Calculator if allowed in the practical part. Theory I don't know. Okay. So you should know how to convert manually. If you don't know in the practical part, if I ask means go to programmer, decimal, choose decimal, type 192, whatever question, go to binary, this one. But I don't know calculator allowed, but still try to do manually. Like that, 168 means 160, sorry, this one. Go to decimal, 168 decimal means binary 1010 1000. Okay, like this, I got the binary for 192 here, 168 here, 10 here, 130 here. Now, subnet mask. Already we got 255, 255, 255, 240. So decimal number 255, 255, 255, 240. What is the binary number? 255, you know, 8 ones. Again 255, you know, 8 ones. Again 255, you know, 8 ones. 240, we already have. Okay, this also we can convert using this method. Okay, 240, how do you do that? You can subtract or whatever you can do, no problem. Okay, so so a calculator also we have. No, go to decimal, type 240 binary, you will get 4140. Okay, I got 4140. Or you do subtraction like this, 240 minus 128 possible, then 1, then 2 for next remaining number minus 64 possible, like that you have to find out. Okay, now you see how many network bits? 8884, total 28 bits network. That's why I put yellow color for network. Okay, now how do I identify the network address of this question? Question is 192.168.10.132 bars 28 and 24-bit network, 28-bit network. Sorry. Find the network address, host address, last address. First usable host address or first IP, last usable address or last IP, and broadcast. So network address, how do I find out? Logical ANDing. So this IPv4 part and subnet part, you have to logical AND. So one logical AND one logical AND one into 0 0, like that you will get this number. One easy method, see, all 1 means when you do logical ANDing with this number, you will get the same number. That's why you got the same number here. Again, all 8 1, this is the 168. When you logical AND this one, you will get the same number. Again, all 8 ones, you will logical AND this one, you will get this. Okay, this 10, right? So you will get this one. Maybe I made mistake here. I will put this one is 10, right? So I will copy this one, I'll put here. Same. Okay, now here we have only 4 ones. 4 1. So what I will do, first 1 into 1 1 and 1. Now 1 and 0 0, 1 and 0 0, 1 and 0 0. Remaining kullu 4 0. Whatever you AND with the zeros, they will get the 0 number, right? This will be 0 because 4 0 with 0 1 0 0 means all full 0. Okay, again AND means both are 1 means output 1. Any one input is 0 means output 0. So here 1 and 1 1, 1 and 0 0, 1 and 0 0, 1 and 0 0. Kullu 0 means this will be Kullu 0. Now network address we got in binary. What's the network address decimal? This is already you know 192. This already you know 168. This already you know 10. Now 1 followed by 80. So this is 128. First bit 1 means remaining 0 means 128. Okay. Now first usable IP. Yani the theory is out of the 4 host bit, right? We have last 4-bit host. Okay. Out of the 4 host bit, make all 3 bits 0, last one 1. So what I will do, out of the 4 host bits, make first 3 0, last one 1. So it will be like 1000 followed by 001. So what is the decimal value here? First user will be 192.168.10.128 plus 1. So 129 is the first IP. Or you can say network is 128 means the first IP will be 128 plus 1, any 129. The theory is put out of 4 host bits, make the first 3 0, last one 1. So you'll get 128 plus 1, 129. Now, last usable IP or last IP address is out of the 4 host bits. Okay, we have 4 host bits, right? Here in the network address we have 4 host bits, right? Out of these 4 host bits, make the 3 1, last one 0. Okay, out of the 4 host bits, first 3 bit 1, last one 0. So what happens? 128 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2, it will be 142. So this last IP address or last usable host address is dot 142. Broadcast address means make all the host bits 1. And we have 4 host bits. I make all the 4 host bits 1. So 128 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. It will be 143. So broadcast address is 192.168.10.143. This is the answer for this question. There are other easy methods, I'll tell you later. Now this is the technique they use in Cisco. This is, maybe you have to do conversion. Easy methods are there, I'll tell you later. But this is the one method of getting network address, first address, last address, broadcast address. So what you will do, when you get the IP address, write the IP address in decimal, convert this to binary, then subnet mask you have to write in decimal, then binary. Then to get the network address, what you should do, logical AND subnet mask and IP address. When you do logical AND, you will get network address. Logical AND means wherever 1 comes, it will be the number, wherever 0 comes, it will be 0. Okay, and decimal number also you found out, network address. Now first usable IP address means in the host portion put, see we have 4 host bit, means first 3 0, last one 1. So it will be 1 followed by 701, it will be 128 plus 1, 129. Last usable IP means out of the 4 host bits, in this case first 3 bit 1, last one 0, it will be 128 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is 142. Okay, 128, 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Broadcast means out of the 4 host bits, make all bits 1. So you will get 128 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 143. Hope you understood. Okay.